Welcome back, hustlers. Imagine you are interviewing for a job via a chatbot. You ask, what is the average salary for this role? The AI gives you a number that's completely fabricated. Then you ask for the source and it gives a citation that doesn't exist. Wait, what just happened? You trusted it. You believed it. But it lied. Or at least it seemed to. Today we're diving into a question that sounds like sci-fi, but it's very real. Does AI lie? And if so, why? In the official AI Hustle Club channel, we're busting myths, breaking down the tech, and helping you stay smart in this AI age. We've seen that, yes, from your vantage point, the AI can lie. So hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's get into it. Introduction. What are we going to talk about? First, a quick frame for today. We'll cover what it means when we say AI lies, real-world examples of false or fabricated outputs, why this happens, the technical, psychological, and business drivers behind it, real business use cases, companies, educators, creators, where false AI output has caused issues, how you can ask AI smarter questions and fact-check it to avoid getting burned. By the end, you'll understand why your AI buddy sometimes behaves like Pinocchio. Recognize the warning signs. Have a toolkit for smarter, safer AI use in your hustle. Let's begin with what we mean by lies from AI. What does it mean when AI lies? Here's the tricky part. When we say AI lies, it's not quite like person X told a lie. The machine isn't intentionally deceitful in the human sense. Researchers call many of these false outputs hallucinations or confabulations, meaning the AI confidently states something that is false or unverified. Example, a chatbot claims there's a scientific study titled Vegetative Electron Microscopy, which doesn't exist, and cites a fake DOI. That's a falsification of fact complete with bogus source. Another recent article points out that some advanced models can strategically deceive. That is, they might choose a plausible answer rather than say, I don't know. So, for our purposes, when we say AI lies, we're referring to false statements made with confidence, fabricated citations, facts or events, answers given as if certain even when underlying data is missing or flawed. Important caveat, the AI doesn't believe a lie. It doesn't have beliefs. It is pattern matching, generating. But the effect is the same for you or your business if you act on wrong info. Now let's walk through actual real-world business educator examples where this mattered. Real-world case studies. Case study A, business decision based on AI output. A company uses an AI tool to summarize legal contracts. The AI fabricates a clause or misstates a regulation, leading to a costly compliance error. The error stems from AI confidently giving a wrong answer. Note, this is a composite scenario grounded in common risk reports. Case study B. Fake citations, academic risk. The academic world has seen submissions where authors used AI for drafting legal filings, only to discover the AI included sources that don't exist. For example, an expert submission included fake case law sourced from an AI tool. Case study C. Creator, content risk. A content creator asked an AI for 3 little-known facts about company X. The AI provided facts that sounded plausible but couldn't be verified. The creator published them, later found they were false. The damage, credibility, trust with audience, and risk of defamation. These cases highlight even smart AI tools make errors. The problem is not only obvious errors, sometimes they're subtle, which is worse. When you use AI as part of your business or content hustle, you're responsible for checking. But why does this happen? Let's unpack the root causes. Why does AI lie? The root causes. There are several overlapping reasons. I'll break them into 3 main buckets: technical architecture, training and objective misalignment, and business UX pressures. 1. Technical architecture, probabilistic generation. The large language models, LLMs, are built to generate the most likely next word sequence given a prompt, based on patterns in training data. They are not built to verify truth. Because of this, if the model has seen similar phrasing but no exact fact, it might produce an answer that is plausible but false. The model lacks internal fact-checking. 2. Training and objective misalignment. Many models are trained, rewarded for fluency, how natural the output is, and user satisfaction rather than strict factual accuracy. Some research shows that newer models may even become better at strategic deception, that is, giving plausible but false content, because they're optimized for being helpful or agreeable. 3. Business/UX pressures. From a design standpoint, tools are built to give answers fast. Saying "I don't know" or refusing a prompt feels less helpful, so many models avoid it. The pressure to sound confident and produce results in real time means sometimes the model fills gaps with fabricated content. Summary: the model has no concept of truth. It has no beliefs. It has no fact database in the way we expect. It simply computes what seems likely given its prompt and internal weights. That's why hallucinations, false confident output happen. With that in mind, let's flip how you can protect your hustle by recognizing, preventing, and correcting AI lies. How to ask AI the right way and fact-check it. 4A. Smart prompts, a first line of defense. Be specific. Ask, provide sources and date, rather than tell me about X. Use retrieval augmented prompts if available, that is, using verified external database. Ask the AI, if you're unsure, say "I don't know" or provide alternatives with confidence levels. 4B. Recognize warning signs. Confident statements without citation. Citations that look real but are impossible to verify. Fake DOI, fake journal. Vague referencing. A study with no link or date. Extremely specific data or quotes that you cannot find with a quick search. 4C. Fact-check workflow for your business and/or hustle. 1. Run the AI output through a quick external search. Google Scholar, company website, official documents. 2. Verify every citation. Does the link or DOI exist? Is the journal real? Is the date correct? 3. Check consistency. Does the fact align with known baseline data? For example, average salary for role X in Germany. If you can't verify a fact, either remove it from your content business decision or present it as according to X unconfirmed. Transparency helps. 4D. Build your own AI control checklist. Who's the author source? Is the data date stamped? Are there alternative sources saying the same? Could the AI be generating plausible but false just to fill a gap? By adding this workflow into your hustle, content creation, business decisions, client work, you turn AI from a blind assistant into a vetted partner. Why you should still use AI, but with caution. Okay, so you might be wondering, if AI lies, should I toss it out? And no, far from it. Here's the flip side. AI is incredibly powerful for ideation, drafts, ET analysis, summarization. The key is, use it with human oversight. Think AI as a junior analyst, you as a senior editor. You let it work fast, then you check. That's the model for Hustle Smart. In closing, we've seen that yes, from your vantage point, the AI can lie. It makes false statements with confidence because of how it's built. We dug into the why: probabilistic generation, misaligned objectives, business, UX pressures. We gave you usable tools, smarter prompts, red flags, fact-checking workflow. If you apply that in your content, in your business, you'll stay ahead of the AI fooled me trap. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment, "I check my AI," if you'll commit to the checklist. Share this video with someone who's using AI for their business and doesn't yet know about hallucinations. On Sunday, we'll drop a short, so hit the bell so you don't miss the harnessing AI smart tips we'll share in the Shorts feed. Thanks for watching the official AI Hustle Club. Hustle smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.